Welcome to LITBLINDS store YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. New design for wall panels, cellular shades, and skylight shades. Wall panels offer a versatile and stylish solution for interior design, seamlessly blending functionality with aesthetics. Whether adorning residential homes, corporate offices, or commercial establishments, wall panels elevate the ambience, transforming mundane walls into works of art. Beyond their decorative appeal, they also serve practical purposes, offering insulation, soundproofing, and even fire resistance depending on the material chosen. From sleek and modern to rustic and traditional, the design options are virtually endless, allowing for customization to suit any design scheme or architectural style. Additionally, their ease of installation and maintenance make them a preferred choice for both homeowners and interior designers alike, offering a hassle-free way to revitalize any room with minimal effort. In conclusion, wall panels offer a harmonious blend of aesthetics, functionality, and versatility, making them an indispensable element in modern interior design. Whether used to create a focal point in a residential living room, add sophistication to a corporate boardroom, or enhance the ambience of a hospitality venue, wall panels have the power to elevate any space and leave a lasting impression. One of the remarkable qualities of wall panels is their ability to seamlessly integrate with existing architectural features or serve as standalone design elements. They can be strategically placed to highlight architectural details such as archways or columns, creating a cohesive and visually striking composition within a space. Furthermore, the use of wall panels opens up endless possibilities for creative expression and customization. Whether through intricate carvings, laser-cut designs, or innovative material combinations, designers have the freedom to push the boundaries of traditional wall treatments and unleash their creativity. Cellular shades, also known as honeycomb shades, are a popular window treatment option known for their versatility, energy efficiency, and sleek design. These shades are constructed using a series of cells that form a honeycomb-like structure when viewed from the side, hence the name. One of the key benefits of cellular shades is their insulation properties. The cellular design creates pockets of air that act as barriers, helping to regulate indoor temperatures by preventing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. This energy efficiency can lead to cost savings on heating and cooling bills, making cellular shades a practical choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. In addition to their insulation capabilities, cellular shades offer a high level of light control and privacy. They come in a variety of opacity levels, ranging from sheer to blackout, allowing homeowners to adjust the amount of natural light entering a room and maintain privacy as desired. Another advantage of cellular shades is their sleek and streamlined appearance. They have a clean, modern look that complements a wide range of interior styles, from contemporary to minimalist to traditional. Plus, they are available in a variety of colors, textures, and fabric options, giving homeowners the flexibility to customize their window treatments to suit their aesthetic preferences. One notable feature of cellular shades is their ability to provide sound absorption. The honeycomb structure of the cells helps to dampen noise, making them an excellent choice for rooms where noise reduction is desired, such as bedrooms, offices, or media rooms. This feature can contribute to creating a quieter and more comfortable living or working environment. Furthermore, cellular shades offer UV protection for furnishings and interior spaces. The fabric used in these shades can help to block harmful UV rays from entering a room, protecting furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading or sun damage over time. This UV protection can help to prolong the lifespan of valuable possessions and maintain the visual integrity of interior spaces. Moreover, cellular shades offer enhanced safety features, particularly in cordless and motorized versions. By eliminating dangling cords, these shades reduce the risk of accidents, especially in homes with young children or pets. This added safety factor provides peace of mind for homeowners while maintaining a clean and uncluttered appearance. Lastly, cellular shades are available in a variety of configurations to suit different window shapes and sizes, including standard windows, skylights, and specialty shapes. This versatility allows homeowners to achieve a cohesive and polished look throughout their home, while also addressing specific design and functional requirements for each window. In summary, cellular shades offer a multitude of benefits, including energy efficiency, light control, privacy, sound absorption, UV protection, durability, low maintenance, safety, and versatility. These features make them a versatile and practical window treatment option for any home or commercial space. Skylight shades are specialized window treatments designed specifically for skylights, which are windows installed in the roof of a building to provide natural light and ventilation. These shades are tailored to fit the unique shape and orientation of skylight windows, offering both practical benefits and aesthetic enhancements to the space. Skylight shades are available in a variety of styles and configurations to suit different skylight designs and homeowner preferences. They can be operated manually with a hand crank or pole, or they can be motorized for added convenience, allowing for remote control operation or integration with home automation systems. Some skylight shades are also available with smart features such as timers, sensors, and programmable settings, providing even greater control and flexibility. They are available in a wide range of colors, patterns, and fabrics to match any interior design scheme, from sleek and modern to rustic and traditional. Additionally, skylight shades can help to soften the harsh lines of a skylight opening, creating a more cohesive and visually pleasing look. Furthermore, skylight shades can enhance the aesthetic appeal of a room by complementing its decor and architectural style. They are available in a wide range of colors, patterns, and fabrics to match any interior design scheme, from sleek and modern to rustic and traditional. Additionally, skylight shades can help to soften the harsh lines of a skylight opening, creating a more cohesive and visually pleasing look. One notable advantage of skylight shades is their ability to improve indoor comfort by reducing heat transfer and glare. Skylights can often lead to unwanted heat gain during hot weather and heat loss during cold weather due to their large surface area and direct exposure to sunlight. Skylight shades help to mitigate these effects by providing insulation and solar control, thus creating a more comfortable indoor environment year-round. Moreover, skylight shades can contribute to the overall energy efficiency of a building by reducing the need for artificial lighting and HVAC heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. By allowing natural light to enter the space while minimizing heat gain or loss, skylight shades can help to lower energy consumption and utility costs, leading to potential savings over time. Furthermore, skylight shades are available in a variety of configurations to accommodate different types of skylight installations, including fixed, vented, and operable skylights. They can be custom-made to fit specific dimensions and shapes, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with the existing architecture of the building. Overall, skylight shades offer a range of benefits including improved energy efficiency, enhanced comfort, aesthetic enhancement, and versatility. Whether installed in residential homes, commercial buildings, or institutional settings, skylight shades provide a practical and stylish solution for controlling light and creating a more enjoyable indoor environment beneath skylight windows.
Lit Blinds required professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. Lit Blinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LITBLINDS.store.